Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to open and close Sunshade. In the beginning, take a look at the roof of the car. Right here we've got the Sunshade control panel. Press this button to open Sunshade and press this button to close it. Or in the reverse. But also, we can go to screen display and menu, BYD Assistant, vehicle control. As you can see, via voice command we can close or open Sunshade. Let's try it. Hi BYD,
I'm here.
close Sunshade.
The blind is already set as you requested.
Hi BYD. Hi BYD,
Hi there.
open Sunshade.
It seems I can't do that.
Hi BYD,
Yes?
open Sunshade.
The blind is already set as you requested.
And that's basically it. We have to speak loud and clear for the voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.